Ever wonder what truly sets apart the men who effortlessly connect with women from the rest? It's not about flashy lines or grand gestures. It's something much deeper, something only 1% of men know. Stay with me, because this one simple phrase could change your relationships forever. Welcome to the Stoic Route. This is your go-to channel for boosting your confidence, building meaningful connections, and unlocking your best self. If you're ready to elevate your life and relationships, hit that subscribe button and join the journey of growth and self-improvement. Let's dive in. Part 1. The biggest misconception. Here's where most men go wrong. They believe women are impressed by compliments like, "You're beautiful," or "You're amazing." While those words are nice, they only scratch the surface. The truth is, women crave something deeper. They want to feel genuinely understood. They want to know you're listening, that you see the little things they do, and that you value them for who they are. Here's the key insight. It's not about the words themselves, but how they make her feel. If your words don't make her feel seen, special, or appreciated, they're just noise. Part 2. The 1% phrase women love to hear. So, what's this magic phrase? It's shockingly simple. "I appreciate how supportive you've been of my goals." Let me explain why this works. It's not just saying, "I appreciate you." That's too vague and generic. Instead, focus on something specific about her personality or actions. For example, "I appreciate how you always look out for the people you care about." "I appreciate how you light up the room with your energy." "I appreciate how supportive you've been of my goals." These statements stand out because they show you're truly paying attention to her unique qualities. It's not about her appearance or what she does for you. It's about who she is as a person. Part 3. Why this works. So, why is this phrase so powerful? Most men focus on external factors like looks or accomplishments. While those things might grab attention, they don't touch the heart. What truly resonates is acknowledging someone's inner qualities, the parts of themselves they might not even realize are special. Think about it. How often do women hear things like, "You're thoughtful," or "I admire your compassion"? It's rare, and because it's rare, it's memorable. This phrase makes her feel seen and valued in a way that's meaningful and lasting. It's a simple but profound way to show you care. Part 4. When and how to say it. Timing is everything. Don't wait for a grand moment or special occasion to say this. The beauty of this phrase lies in its spontaneity. For example, imagine she's talking about how she helped a friend through a tough time. That's your cue to say, "You know, I really appreciate how kind and supportive you are." Or maybe she's sharing a story about her day, and you notice how she always puts others first. That's your chance to tell her, "I appreciate how thoughtful you are." The key is to stay present and notice the little things she does. The more genuine your words are, the deeper they'll resonate. Bonus tip: make it genuine. This isn't about saying nice things just to get a reaction. Authenticity matters. Take the time to observe her actions, her habits, and her unique qualities. When you notice something that stands out, let her know. It's not about being perfect or saying the right thing every time. It's about showing her that you care enough to notice who she truly is. The challenge. Here's a little challenge for you. The next time you're with someone you care about, try this. Pay attention to something unique about them, something they might not even realize is special, and let them know you appreciate it. Watch how they react. You'll see the difference it makes, not just in how they feel, but in the strength of your connection. If this message resonated with you, hit the like button and drop a comment below. Share one thing you appreciate about someone in your life. Let's start spreading positivity together. And don't forget to subscribe to the Stoic Route. We're here to help you build stronger relationships, boost your confidence, and become the best version of yourself. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Remember, it's the small things that create the biggest impact. Until next time, take care and stay connected.